The soap challenge, globe challenge for December of 2022 is called Crazy Layers. So I basically have to do 4 different layers with 4 different techniques. And what I've decided to do is this. So basically a one pot wonder, Ciaglia, kind of a tiger swirl, and then an ombre. Now, if you can see my image, I was going to do it at angles. I did a bar and lots just didn't go right with this, but I'm not happy with how this turned out, which is why I'm trying it again. This was the first attempt. So I'm hoping that I learned my lesson with this bar and this next batch will go better. I am also going to switch up the colors just because I don't want more bars of the same color. I figured I'll do them a little bit different with a different scent. And this time I'm going to do straight layers instead of angles, and I'm going to try and use my scrapers to make the layers perfectly straight. We'll see if it works, but that's the plan. I am going to split my batch up. I made a 5-pound batch which fits this mold, and I'm just going to split my oils and lye up into 4 equal sections and then mix each one as I do each layer so that the soap doesn't set up before I get to the top layer. And yeah, that's that. So enjoy and stay tuned for the cut. We'll see what I get. The loaf. So when I was pouring this, I was going for subtle and it was probably too subtle, but today you can definitely see the black to green, and I hope it shows through in the actual bars too, but the top is gorgeous. And then I wanted to show you these sides. Craziness. And look at this. Oh my gosh, the bottom of this bar. Is that not so cool? Look at that. Like, I can't wait to cut and see how the One Pot Wonder worked in just a small layer. I hope it comes out cool, because pouring it was just, I loved pouring that. Oh, seeing all those lines and swirls was really, really cool. So let's cut this and see what resulted. Oh, I got a little glycerin river, but that is not bad. Look at those swirls. I love that One Pot Wonder. This green was lighter than I was going for, but I think it actually worked okay. I do wish the embeds, or the Ciaglia, the little white shreds, had been a little bit finer, but I got tired of shredding. So, and look, you can get this gradient. I don't know if it shows up on the video, but you've got black to that green. Oh. Okay. I am much happier with this one. Look at those swirls. Oh my gosh. I love the color theme. I like that they're straight lines. I don't know if you can tell the mica line in between each layer. I love that too. Like, there's just a tad bit of sparkle with it. I am pleased. After the first attempt, which I was not overly happy with, this one is definitely much, much better. Oh, let me know what you think. I said it's not 100% perfect on a few things, but no one will ever know unless I say so. And overall, oh, look at that tiger swirl. I got a little circle in there. That's kind of cool. I love how none of the tiger swirls are the same. Like, every bar is different. Same thing with the One Pot Wonder. You've got different effects and swirls. Oh, I'm really happy. Okay, it was worth all the effort of doing a second batch and trying this again.